Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you my new squishy that I got. So let's get started. So this is the new squishy. Let me focus with. Okay. So this is the new squishy that I'm talking about. And it's so soft and squishy, and it's Rilakkuma, and Kuratari. The squishy, and it's in a bun. And look at the back; it's just so squishy. So I'm gonna take out. Hold on. Okay. So it looks like this. So squishy. But look, it's just so squishy. Sorry, my mother just walked past. She needs to wash the fan. Yeah, so this is my new squishy bun. New squishy bun, Rilakkuma. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.